I just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year out there, and to thank all the new subscribers as well as the old ones for sticking with me. As you can see, today's kind of a miserable day here, so we won't be doing much on the cabin. So I figured what I'd do is maybe put a little Christmas music in the background, and we'd take a walk out on the back side of my property. It's kind of a balmy day. Wind blowing at about 20 miles an hour. The air temperature is about 20 and dropping. Tomorrow's high is only 2 above 0, so I don't know how much I'm going to get done on the cabin this weekend, with Christmas coming up on Friday and all. But I just wanted to stop in and wish everyone a Merry Christmas and season's greetings. I hope everybody's 2021 fares better than 2020 did. And with that being said, let's get on with the video. So this is what I'd like to do. There's a few ash in here. This one here is probably about a 26-inch circumference. That one's probably, I don't know, probably 28 to 30, maybe 32 on that one. I like to pull a few of these ash out and have them run to the mill somewhere and have them made into a tongue and groove for the ceiling of the cabin. And then if there's enough, have it made for wide plank flooring. This guy here really should go before he starts hollowing out. So far he's pretty good, but he's probably 36 to, I don't know, 40 inches in diameter. He's a big boy. But what I like about it, the first 16 feet doesn't have a knot in it. back here, I want to put up a little 12 by 12 maple syrup shack. Put a little wood stove in it and try to smelt the boil the sap down into syrup from up here. But there's a maple there, another one there, another one back in there, a couple of them back in there. And these up here, these guys up here used to produce about 4 gallons a day during the peak, each tree of sap. That was pretty good. Yeah, I'd like to put somewhere back in here a little 12 by 12 maple syrup shack. And then during deer season, a warming shack. Because I still got about another 100 yards back to the end of my property here. And about another 400 feet, 500 feet that direction. We're not gonna go tramping through the whole property. The snow will wear my butt out. But you can see a whole bunch more maples back in there. I used to sap all these. That one actually looks like it's gotten blown down. Well, it's a little bit of a mess, guys, but it sure is pretty.